Good evening, teacher. Now I'm going to talk about a service provider I know. VitaPost is a delivery service provider. It helps people send and receive packages quickly and safely. VitaPost delivers goods for businesses and individuals. Many online shops and customers use this service to send and receive orders. The company works every day, including weekends, to ensure fast delivery. Customers say that VitaPost provides good service because their packages arrive on time and in good condition. Some people like the friendly staff and easy checking system. However, I feel customers think the service can be slow during busy times. Overall, VitaPost is a popular delivery service that helps many people get their packages quickly and safely. Thank you.